Hey everybody, I am back with another Michelle the Maker moment. Last week was rough, my goodness. But you know what? I've realized that creating really helps me get back on track. Although I may not be creating clothing in this moment, I am going to create something. I actually saw this video or this tutorial somewhere else, and I said, okay, let me put my little own pizzazz. So I designed these cute little money moments, and I'm going to show you what it looks like using my Cricut machine. So I'm going to reuse these. I bought these Aquaphor moments. Low-key Aquaphor, you see this? I'm using your packaging. I know you can buy these from somewhere else, but I didn't want to wait. So got these from CVS. Just ignore that the money is not correct. This is just for tutorial purposes. Thanks. And here is another Michelle the Maker moment. Isn't this cute? This is a moment. Especially this one. A moment. Also, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know, Michelle the Maker. Yeah, that's it.